This is Fusion. It's arguably the most versatile creative tool ever made. Fusion has two lenses, one on the front, one on the back.
It's like having multiple cameras shooting in all different directions. You're able to get beautiful 5.2K footage out of this compact device that can fit in your pocket. As GoPro's new VR camera, Fusion is going to let people capture angles that haven't been possible before.
It's waterproof, it's mountable, it's got voice control, it works with the GoPro app. It's a GoPro.
The magic behind Fusion is turning multiple images into a single spherical image. We designed the camera with offset lenses for optimal stitching. With the stitch lines taken care of, you're free to enjoy your experience.
The stabilization feature on Fusion is amazing. It's got gimbal-like stabilization, but it's built into the camera.
Your footage is stabilized automatically, so you can relive the experience just as you remember it.
Fusion is not just a VR camera. One of the most exciting aspects of Fusion is what we call overcapture.
Overcapture is when you take spherical content and frame it to traditional video.
You can turn the camera around in ways that was never possible before with traditional GoPros. You're capturing everything at once, and then just pick and choose the different angles you want after the fact.
With one camera, you can capture everything, and the GoPro app makes it easier than ever to choose your shots and direct your story later. With Fusion, you can achieve stunning visual effects like angel view, little planet, pano flow, and time shift. Fusion is the next kind of evolution of storytelling at GoPro. Immersive VR, super stabilized footage, stunning visual effects, and a new way of creating called overcapture.
Fusion's the first of its kind. This is ultimately where cameras are headed. You shouldn't have to point at what you want to film. You should just be able to film what you're experiencing. And Fusion makes that possible.
your shoes and have some fun. Get ready, get set, let's go. If we never go, we'll never know. 'Cause you and I, oh yeah, we could fly so high, so high. You and I won't let this moment pass us by, pass us by. I won't let this moment pass us by. I won't let this moment pass us by. So grab somebody, do-si-do, 'cause life's a dance floor, don't you know? Hey, there's electricity in the air, so come join the party if you dare. 'Cause you and I, oh yeah, we could fly so high, so high.
This is Luna, the world's smallest 360-degree camera. You can easily take 360-degree videos with no blind spot with Luna. Such videos are usually shot with large, expensive rigs. To improve a better experience, we've been through many prototypes to make it smarter to work, lighter to carry, tougher to adventure, and simple to use. Finally, this is where we arrived, a 360-degree camera in a size just like a pool ball. So it's easy to carry anywhere, or to explore vantage points never possible before. It's designed to be rugged, to suit the wild. Luna's IP68 waterproof rating ensures it can accompany you on your adventures on and off the ground. With built-in Wi-Fi, Luna can communicate with your mobile devices, which can remember the location of your videos and when they were shot. It not only can transfer data wirelessly, but also live stream real-time 360-degree video to iPhone, Android, and tablet. Even more, using virtual reality mode with cardboard makes this a truly immersive experience. Luna's magnetic adapter allows it to transfer data and charge power, while at the same time allowing you to attach it wherever your imagination goes. Performing for a packed audience tonight? Record it on your mic stand. This is Luna, a 360-degree camera for everyone.
We got this cool camera from Camorama. Let's see what we can do.
360-degree 4K Ultra HD. You can view all your videos in 360 using VR goggles.
With this head mount, you can see what I can see.
Let's take it up in a helicopter. You can also do live broadcasting like Periscope. There's a goat in the tree, but in 360 degrees. "90-minute record time, that's longer than any other consumer 360-degree camera.
Let's go surfing.
How about skydiving? You can also share directly to all the social media apps.
Well, what we got here is called a tortoise. My name is Ricky. What's up, boss? Ricky. What's up? What's up? Hope you guys have a good day.
You can also do 360-degree time lapse, and I'm using the app to adjust it.
360 selfie.
We're communicating.
It's delicious. It's really good.
Camorama!
So that was the 4K live streaming 360 panorama video camera from Camorama. We had a really good couple days running around Hawaii shooting with it. Got a lot of good 360 videos, 360 photos, made a lot of cool friends. And this 360 video, this is the future. You know, it's fun to be a part of it. So if you're interested in this technology, jump on board. It is literally the future of video. And I want to thank Camorama, appreciate the camera, and aloha from Hawaii.